Welcome back to some other news. Now, the International Court of Justice, or the ICJ, continues to hear the Kulbhushan Jadhav case. While presenting its rebuttal to Pakistan's arguments, India reminded Pakistan that even a terrorist like Kasab was given a fair trial by India, unlike its neighbour that hasn't done so for the Indian Navy man. Harish Salve presented the case for India, even mentioned the Pulwama terror attack to prove how Pakistan repeatedly plots terror attacks against India.
Kasab case, where the Supreme Court of India, dealing with an application filed by a Pakistani terrorist, apprehended red-handed and caught by a brave police officer who absorbed on himself a magazine of bullets on his person. The Supreme Court held that we may also state here that since it is a case of death sentence, we intend to examine the materials on record firsthand. Has become a pawn and a convenient tool for Pakistan to try and unsuccessfully divert global attention from its own conduct. And Pakistan's conduct is well documented by information and material contained in public domain. These include, firstly, state sponsorship of terrorism by including and allowing its territory to be used to train, arm and finance and launch terrorist attacks against its neighbors. Some of the recent terrorist attacks include A. On 14 February 2019, a dastardly terror attack was carried out in India by Pakistan-based and UN-proscribed-based entity, killing more than 40 Indian security personnel.
Remember, Kulbhushan Jadhav was sentenced to death by a military court in Pakistan on charges of being a spy. Now, India has opposed the death sentence. Today will be the fourth and the final day of the hearing, where Pakistan will have maximum of 90 minutes to rebut India's arguments.